Hi, I'm Andy Wronski, Chair of Foley and Lardner's Manufacturing Sector, and I'm pleased to introduce our 2024 Manufacturing Manual, a compilation of essays detailing the most pressing legal challenges that manufacturers currently face, as well as a look ahead to those that lie around the corner. As you well know, the manufacturing landscape is rapidly changing, and the pace of change has never been greater, pushed by factors like artificial intelligence, digital disruption, and the pressing need for supply chain resiliency. Our manual will help guide you through this period of change by providing a comprehensive and end-to-end analysis of the current legal landscape and the most pressing trends. At Foley and Lardner, our passion is empowering our manufacturing clients to navigate these periods with confidence and agility. We hope that this manual unlocks new opportunities for you for innovation, growth, and success, and we look forward to working with you in the future.